back to my channel. So as you guys should have just saw, I gave you guys a complete unboxing of this unit right here, as well as I showed you guys how I used the bowl hole glue. That was my very first time using bowl hole, and so I decided to use it right now because, as you guys know, if you guys didn't already see by the title, it is your girl's birthday week. So this is my birthday hair, and I'm gonna actually have this unit on at least for maybe about 2 weeks or so. So why not go ahead and use the bowl hole glue instead of the Got to Be Freeze? And so yes, so my quick review of that is that I was having trouble using it in the past, but I figured it out. Just make sure that when you put it on that it is clear, because you don't want like white residue on your lace. And so other than that, the unit is holding pretty well. I've been wearing this unit for about 3 days now. I think it's about 2 days now, and it's holding no problem. My sides are lifting just a little bit on this side, but it's really not a big deal. I just kind of like put some hair over it and keep going, but I do love the hold of it. So after I show you guys how I applied the bold hold using this unit, I then came back and showed you this unit in a few different styles, as well as the hair in a much puffier state. So I wanted to just give you guys an idea of just a few different looks that you guys can do with this hair when it's puffy, as well as when it's like has this wet look. And so just to give you guys the deets, this unit is courtesy of WKCURLY Hair. They were kind enough to send your girl another unit, so I've worked with them in the past and I'm working with them again. And so this unit is actually their human hair curly lace front wig. So yeah, it has a really long name, but basically it says it has quality lace. It's a Remy glueless curly hair lace frontal wig. So yeah, you guys just make sure to check the description box for the link, as well as what kind of hair it is. But just so you guys know, I do have the hair in 22 inches and 200% density, and then a medium size cap. So as of right now, it's on sale, retailing for $215.32. And so yeah, that was pretty much all the information that I see on their website. Again, make sure you guys check for the link, as well as it should be a code down there if you guys do decide to purchase from their website. But on to my personal thoughts, y'all. I absolutely love this unit. I am a stickler for a unit that is versatile. Like, I love curly units that I can straighten, or curly units where I can wear like the wet look, and then if I want a more blown out look, as you guys should just saw, like 200% density, y'all, that thing is huge, okay? But if you guys saw, like, I could put it up in a ponytail and just have a big messy bun, and I think it's super cute. As well as I just received a whole bunch of head wraps and scarves and stuff like that. And so make sure you guys check out my video that's coming tomorrow, which tomorrow is actually my birthday, and I have a cool little haul for you guys. And so if you guys want to see me possibly try some of the head wraps with this hair, then you guys definitely want to check out that video, and then I might chit chat a little bit about what's going on in your girl's life. Got some new and exciting news for you guys. And so yeah, you guys definitely want to make sure to check out that video tomorrow. And so yeah, I just absolutely love how versatile this unit is. I love the length of it. I love the fact that it is curly and I don't have to straighten it if I don't want to. But yeah, I just absolutely love it. And if you guys are wondering, yes, the girl kept on her robe because, I mean, it's my birthday weekend. I can do what I want, right? But yeah, I just really love the color pink, if you guys didn't already know. And I just felt like, why not? Like, this makes me feel sexy. This hair makes me feel sexy, so why not keep it on? Okay? But if you guys want to see me with some clothes on, then make sure you guys check that next video out that is coming on Wednesday. And so yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this hair, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.